Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Fast and Furious Premium Collector Set. This is a second Premium Collector Set, and the first one was this Nissan version one. So on the box, in the background, there's a whole scene from the movie where they did the drag race. And then this is Dom's car, and then Brian's car. And then when they did the drag race, Dom did a wheelie at the start. And at the end, Dom crashed his car against a truck. And I'm not sure why they have the Jetta in here. And then they also have the truck behind it. And the detailing on this is really cool. You can see all the houses in the back as a background. So on the front of the box, it says Fast and Furious and then Hot Wheels Premium. On the side, just says Fast and Furious, Hot Wheels Premium. On the back, it shows the cars in this set. Dodge Charger, Toyota Supra, the Jetta, and the Carry-On. Then it says Fast and Furious, Hot Wheels Premium on the second side. So I'm gonna open this box off camera so I don't mess up any of the background. So let's start off with the Volkswagen Jetta MK3. So this car is white, and you can see the blue right here. And Sparko, Toyo tires, white rims. And this is exactly the same as the one they made before in another Fast and Furious premium set. Literally no difference. So they just remade it and then just put maybe the extras in this set. Jesse raced his car in the Fast and Furious against Johnny Tran's Honda S2000 in Lost. So next up is the Carry-On. You can see the huge space for the car, then the gray rims, then it says buy, sell, tune, and then chop. And then it says the Racer's Edge, and then some more words. It's a little hard to read though. And then of course, truck's red, and then the back is gray. We've only seen the Carry-On twice in Team Transport mixes, but now we have it in a Fast and Furious mix. So the next car is a 70 Dodge Charger RT. So this is Dom's car. Then you can see it's full black, of course, the engine, backlights, and then of course they put the little plastic piece right here so it looks like it's doing a wheelie like it did at the start of the movie. Not the movie, but the race. This is a really cool Charger. But this is also another remake because they've already made one that looks identical to this. This car was first made in 2011 and was designed by Brendan Vituski. We last saw it in the Fast and Furious Replica Entertainment Mix in 2015. This one is pretty much the same as the one from 2015. So the last car is a Toyota Supra. This is definitely the one everyone's gonna want. You can see it's orange, and then black in the front. And you've already seen this as a mainline version. But of course it looks better as a premium version. Then we've seen the same car as a premium version in the Boulevard mix, but not with the Fast and Furious tampos. You can see the green, the backlights. And this is a really cool Supra. We first saw the Supra in a Fast and Furious set in 2013 with this same deco. This car was also a Supra in 2015. This is a collector's favorite, so I'm sure we will see more of it in premium mixes. I like the design of this second set better because it actually makes sense with the movie scene in the back compared to it just cars being in a garage. So my favorite car from this set is easily the Toyota Supra. This is such a cool car with the orange and then the green. And this just looks super cool. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car is out of this Hot Wheels 2020 Fast and Furious Premium Collector's Mix.
Yeah.